Let's be real. Getting a salary increase feels good, but it doesn't actually make you richer. It just makes you feel richer. And that's the trap. Because the moment your paycheck goes up, your life quietly expands to match it. Your spending increases before your awareness does. And suddenly, the raise is gone. No change, no progress, just a slightly more expensive version of the same life. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a lifestyle inflation problem. Think about it. When you were earning less, you survived. You made it work. You stretched meals, cut corners, improvised. But once the money gets a little easier, you stop being resourceful. You start rewarding yourself. Finally, I deserve this. And that phrase alone has killed more wealth than bad investments. Here's the part nobody says. Your salary is not your wealth. Your discipline is. A higher salary just exposes your habits. If your habits are poor, your lifestyle grows. If your habits are tight, your wealth grows. This is why two people can earn the same income, but one is drowning and the other is stacking. Money doesn't change your life. It amplifies who you already are. If you spend every raise, your income is just a treadmill you're running faster on. Now, let's talk psychology. Why does the raise disappear instantly? Because we don't buy things to use them. We buy things to feel a certain way. You're not buying the nicer apartment. You're buying the feeling that you've moved up. You're not buying the new phone. You're buying the feeling that you're not behind. You're not buying the better car. You're buying the feeling that you're successful now. Your purchases are emotional proof to yourself that life is progressing. But ironically, those purchases are the very thing slowing your progression down. This is why the cycle repeats. Make more, spend more, feel the same, repeat. The raise didn't fail you. Your psychology betrayed you. But here's the shift. Every raise you get has two paths. Path 1, you increase your lifestyle now. Path 2, you increase your options later. And most people choose now because they're tired, stressed, and under-rewarded. So the purchase becomes therapy, temporary relief, short-term comfort, long-term trap. Here's the real fix, and it's simple, but not easy. When your income goes up, your lifestyle stays the same for 12 months. 12 months is enough time to stack savings, pay down debt, build breathing room, invest consistently without feeling it, and more importantly, it teaches your brain one powerful message. I control my money doesn't control me. This is how wealth actually starts. Not when your salary increases, but when your self-control does. The fastest way to get rich is to live like you're broke after you're no longer broke. But people won't do this because they want progress to look visible. They want others to know they're doing well. They want proof. But the people who get ahead, they don't need proof. They need freedom. So here's the final takeaway. A raise is not an upgrade. It's an opportunity. Your salary increase doesn't make you richer. What you do when your salary increases does. And the people who win financially, they learn to enjoy the feeling of not changing anything when the money goes up. Because wealth isn't built in the moments where life expands. It's built in the moments where you refuse to expand it. Remember this. If every time your income increases, your expenses increase too, you didn't get a raise, your lifestyle did.